He is my son. He is my son. He wakes up early. He wakes up early. He brushes his teeth. He brushes his teeth. He eats breakfast. He eats breakfast. He goes to school. He goes to school. He learns new things. He learns new things. He plays with friends. He plays with friends. He listens in class. He listens in class. He raises his hand. He raises his hand. He asks questions. He asks questions. He reads books. He reads books. He writes in English. He writes in English. He solves puzzles. He solves puzzles. He draws pictures. He draws pictures. He eats lunch. He eats lunch. He runs in gym. He runs in gym. He comes back home. He comes back home. He tells me stories. He tells me stories. He does his homework. He does his homework. He helps with chores. He helps with chores. He plays with toys. He plays with toys. He takes a bath. He takes a bath. He puts on pajamas. He puts on pajamas. He listens to a story. He listens to a story. He hugs me tight. He hugs me tight. He falls asleep. He falls asleep.